Thank you for summing that up. Why couldn't I kill that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone. I don't know. I couldn't. Well, why is this so important all of a sudden? Oh, for the love of... I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. Oh, whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I am the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. Probably something stupid. Then something crazy. It's a mess. You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend. Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you? Why didn't you? That's not an answer. Because I want to remember what you say right now. You said wouldn't that time. First to ride one, though. So... I bet he's really frightened now. What are you gonna do about it? Good, but you've already done that. That's more like it.